Okay, so now you've signed up for the class, you're ready to start going on your work. So I want to show you just kind of the general flow. Here we are at the main page of the summer 2013 class. It'll look slightly different from the student perspective, but generally the same. I want you to notice right down below, after you've done the start here, you can use this plus minus icon to get to Webassign. If you want to read the syllabus, there it is. But course materials right here in the center. When you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. This is your flow. This is what I want you to understand. Every week, I expect you to decide which unit are you in. So for the first week here, we're going to be doing Unit 0 Previous Knowledge and Unit 1, because those are both due 6.2. Unit 1, Solving Systems of Equations by Graphing, Substitution, Elimination, and Using Matrices. And you can see there's an introduction discussion and a matrix discussion. You have to participate in your discussions. You have to do your initial post by Wednesday night, and then you have to respond to somebody's post by Saturday night. So that way everybody should have their original post up by Wednesday night, so everybody knows logging in Thursday through Saturday they're gonna see stuff out there to respond to. Also, you will not see anybody's posts until you post yourself. So it'll always be blank until you post something. So we have our discussions that we can participate in, but we shouldn't do those until we actually do our topics. You learn our lessons. You'll also see your assignments. If you click here, this will bring you straight to Webassign to work on your assignments. But for right now, let's just focus on step 1. You're here. I'm ready to learn. So I'm going to start on Unit 1. Once you go here, you will see your objectives for this section. You'll see above, sometimes I write out kind of the big ideas of the section. Sometimes I do an audio clip or a video clip where you can listen to me talking about it. But then here are all of your objectives. This section has 5 objectives, with Webassign assignments covering section 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3, and then discussions to participate in. So when I'm ready to start my lesson, I'd start on objective 1. So I go ahead and click on that. You'll see here every section, I tell you it's coming from the book section 2.1, page 124. I don't know why it says please there, ignore that. But here's the big idea. So now you can watch your videos. You'll see they're all labeled. There's the lesson. Then you have practice problems. And practice problems. I suggest when you do a practice problem, you should pause the video, attempt it on your own, then unpause the video, see if you got it right. So we're going through the objective. Now we're able to click on the link at the bottom to bring us to the next objective, and it continues, and it will continue to be this way. You'll keep getting all of your different lessons to view, and eventually you are going to see at the bottom of the page, as we work through our objectives, at the bottom of the page we will see it'll tell you that you are now ready to start your homework and participate in the discussion. We are not there yet, we're almost there. So we're now heading on to Unit 1.4, so this would be our 4th objective. And we have to wait for it to load. There we go. So you'll see right here. Now you are ready to post in the discussion board labeled Unit 1. This link should take you straight there. Also, you can try your Webassign homework 2.1, 2.2. So when we're ready for Webassign, we can click on that. It'll open up Webassign for us. I have cheated and I already opened up Webassign. So here you can see when you first log in, you still at this point have your continue your trial, enter your access code. So do whatever is appropriate for you. Continue. And now you can see we're now in Webassign, ready to do our homework. So I only have the week 0 assignment available for myself, but for you guys it'll also say week 1, 2.1, 2.2, or whatever the title is. So now we're going to go ahead and click on that so you can see what a Webassign homework looks like. As this opens up, here we go. The week 0 assignment. This is all prerequisite knowledge, 22 questions. It takes a little bit to load because there are 22 questions, and it brings them all up one at a time. I'll do another video on how to submit your answers and whatnot within Webassign, but I hope this gives you the general idea, the general flow. There we go.